Super efficient solar cells, 10 breakthrough technologies 2024. Solar cells that combine traditional silicon with cutting-edge perovskites could push the efficiency of solar panels to new heights. Perovskite tandem solar cells, a next-generation technology, have broken the world record for efficiency. These cells layer traditional silicon with unique crystal structures, allowing them to utilize more of the solar spectrum and produce more electricity per cell. While silicon-based cells have a technical efficiency of below 30%, perovskite tandem cells have already exceeded the 33% efficiency in the lab. However, perovskite tandem cells have stumbled in the actual deployment due to their sensitivity to water sucking and heat degradation. Oxford PV has reached an efficiency of 28.6% for a commercial size perovskite tandem cell, with plans to deliver its first panels in 2024.
The Antarctic faces its first suspected cases of penguins dying from H5N1 bird flu, raising concerns of a devastating outbreak within colonies during breeding season. At least one king penguin is suspected to have died from bird flu in the Antarctic. If confirmed, it will be the first species killed by the highly contagious H5N1 virus in the wild. Previous outbreaks in South America and other regions highlight the vulnerability of penguins to the diseases. Limited human presence complicates monitoring efforts on the Antarctic mainland. The spread of H5N1 adds to the existing pressure on the polar ecosystems, including climate change and overfishing, threatening species like king penguins. The virus also poses a risk to the wildlife populations in the Arctic, as evidenced by the recent death of a polar bear from H5N1.
What is climate misinformation and why does it matter? Climate misinformation involves the dissemination of inaccurate or incomplete information about fossil fuel emissions and climate change. This can result from unintentional errors or intentional strategies, like greenwashing by businesses to exaggerate their environmental efforts. Major fossil fuel companies have been accused of discrediting climate science through lobbying and misleading advertisements since the late 1970s. Astroturfing, exemplified by groups like the Empowerment Alliance and Responsible Energy Citizen Coalition, involves creating artificial grassroots movements to support fossil fuels while discrediting green policies. Media outlets and populist politicians may also contribute to misinformation. In a tragic example, the 2023 Brazil flooding, fueled by cyclones, saw government opponents blaming dam failures to divert attention from climate mitigation efforts. Climate misinformation matters as it distorts public perception, hindering effective action against climate change.
The world's forests are doing much better than we think. While climate crisis headlines often showcase burning forests and disappearing trees, a surprising story of global reforestation is unfolding. Though overshadowed by tropical deforestation, temperate and polar regions are experiencing remarkable growth. England, boasting its highest forest cover in 700 years, serves as a prime example. China expanding its woodlands by an area comparable to Ukraine since 1992, joins the European Union, US and India in significant forest additions. These successes, while insufficient to solely offset global warming, demonstrate our ability to reverse deforestation legacy. Recognizing and building upon these achievements, not just focusing on the remaining challenges, can inspire further action and offer hope for mitigating climate change. This global greening movement, if nurtured and expanded, can become a key weapon in our fight against a warming planet.